Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in bright white. With bi-XENON HID headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, QUADRA-LIFT air suspension, tow hooks, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, a power liftgate, powered by a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5512.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.